Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you step by step on how to mask an image into an object. And it's super simple, you just need to follow the step. If you're not getting it at first, you can always go back, pause it and go back to the video. And I know you are going to get it because it's super simple. And please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe now. Click the subscription button, it is free. And also I want you to like and comment and also share. Please do this for me, and so that for me to be able to grow this community. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's start the class. So I'll be using this image here. So let me pick my what do we call it, my shape. So I want to use something like this. Let me just click here. So I want something like this. So just follow me. Let me copy this. Control C, or you can use Control D to duplicate. So you can see I'm duplicating. So hold your control so that it's going to be aligned, so that it will not lose the you can see it will not lose where you have to place it. So I think I'm good here. Okay, another shift D, Control D rather, sorry. You can see that it's copied straight downward. So what I will do here is that I want to make sure that this one comes to this side, this one is on this side, and this one is on this side. Holding my control, let me hold my control. Okay, I don't need it. Okay, I just want it to be spaced evenly. So let me just do this, and I'll do this. Let me use my ellipse tool here. Hold your control so that it will not lose the, what do we call it, the shape. So let me put this one here. Alright, good. Let me also Shift D, Control D rather. So let me put another one here. It's just for tutorial sake. That's for this tutorial sake. So I think I'm good like this. So now let me do something here. Let me do this. That's first of all, let me give it a color. Let me give it a red. Let me use red. Let me use blue because blue is my favorite. All right, let me use blue. So you're going to remove, make sure that you remove the outline by right clicking on this stuff here. So to remove the outline, now what you want to do is that you want to okay, first of all, let me bring this so that I move my control, so that we'll be able to have it will not be too spacious. Now this one I want to power clip it inside here. I'm power clipping it inside this place. I'm power clipping it. Let me arrange this once again. I think I'm not okay with that. Okay, let me adjust this to this side. I want this to be aligned with the one up here. I think it's a little bit better. And just feel free to use any just for tutorial sake, you can feel free to use anyone. So now let me power clip instead. Now, but before I power clip, I must join this together. So what I've done now, I've merged them together so that they will become a single object. Now what I will do is just power clip. I used my use my right click to drag it, then I place it there and I power clip it inside it. So as you can see, I power clipped it inside it. So what I will do now is just to adjust it. So you can, instead of you going into the what do we call it, into the image by editing or right clicking and going to power edit, power clip, no, you can hold down your alt key and press and click on the image inside. You can see now I can now adjust the image without going into the power clip. So I can just adjust it this way. I want it this way. So I think I can still adjust it a little. Yeah, okay, I think I want the air to be out. Excuse me. Undo that. Alt key. So I want to adjust that. So I want to adjust it. Okay, I think I should be good as now. So now what I will do is that I will need to duplicate this. Oh, excuse me. So I will need to duplicate this by holding my, I can use Shift D, but I can also use I can use Control D or Control C plus and Control V. So now it has been duplicated, as you can see. So now it's not on it now. What I will now do on the first one that is duplicated, what I will do is that I will now right click on it, then extract content. So now see, I've extracted the content. So whatever things I don't want outside the stuff, I'm going to delete them. I'm going to what do we call it? I'm going to cut them out. So okay, let me use pen tool. So from here, so just follow me as I am working this out. Don't mind some certain things there. Yeah, so I want all this to be out. Okay, I think I'm good there. All this, let's see if I'm right with what I've just done. So now what I will do is that after then I'll click, holding down my shift and click on the image, then I'm going to do this, that's trim, then I will trim. So it's gone, as you can see. So it's gone. So what I will do now is that I am now going to delete this, delete, then I'm going to delete this also, delete, bam. So I have it here. So now you can see there was a little mistake here because of I couldn't see down, but let me see if I can adjust that. Okay. You can see I've adjusted that. So as you can see, this is how to do that. You can see now I've done that. I've power clip and I've masked my image. So what you now do next is just to make sure that you select all, or you can use Control A. So you can select all, then you press your Control G to group them together, so they are together, so none of them can be said they are no more separate stuff again. So for a circle, for instance, I want to use a letter. Let me use a letter first. There is a reason why I want to show you how to use a letter. Let me use shout out. Shout. So now I'm using this letter. Let me make sure that it is bigger. Now go to the font. Make sure that you are using a bold font. Use a bold font. Let me use Poppins Extra. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing, you have to curve your image so that it can become a shape. So it will become a shape. That's Control Q. Then it's no more a letter, it has become a shape, so that we can really work on it as a shape now. So so now you can now bring this. So let me give it a color. Let me use color. Red. Okay. So now I want to PowerClip just as the way we did it the other time. So PowerClip inside, PowerClip. Then let me zoom in so that I can see what I'm really working on. So here, hold down your Alt, click on it, then adjust it. Adjust it. So if you are good, fine. So now what you do next is that so you're going to do what? I'm going to Control C or Control D. Let me use Control C, then Control V. So like that. Then on the first one, let me right click, extract image. Now it has been extracted. So what I don't want, I will make sure that is out. So let me use this. Excuse me, let me use, I think I should use pen tool. Let me use pen tool and do that. Okay, excuse me. Extract that. Now let me use pen tool so that I can really shape this place very well. It's to be something like a circle. Okay. Okay. Let me go there. Oh yeah. Then join them together there. So what I will do now is holding down my shift, then click on the image itself. Image, then can you see here now we have a space. We have a space there, so there shouldn't be a space. So let me undo that. Okay. There shouldn't be a space there for professionalism. Let me do it here again. Okay. Okay, let me see. Putting down my shifts, then merge them. Okay, I think I'm good as of now. Now what I will do is just delete this, then delete this also. Boom, we have it. You can see the space here. This is what I was saying the other time. So you can do better than this anyway, just for me not to begin to go into details so that it won't be too long. Okay, let me just bring it down. Okay, see now. All right, I've cleaned that. So this is that for that. As you can see, is it not lovely? Is it not lovely? So now what you could do, don't forget, just group them, Control G to group them, so there are no more different objects. So that's that for that. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I want you to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that if I'm dropping any content, you may be the first person to be aware of it. And like, also comment and share. Please do that for me. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.